Hey, what's up, you guys? This is RJ here, guys. In today this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can use Linktree. Linktree is that app that allowed you to put your, a lot of links in one place. Okay, so don't waste your time. Let's go to the Linktree and let me show you how you can put it all your links. Okay, all right. So let me put it my pictures down here. So all right, this one down is here, and then okay, just go to the Google. Okay, all right. So I noticed that it's like a sometime. Um, Let me see that. Uh, all right, so I'll take you to Linktree. So you know what? It's so simple to sign up. Just put your name and Linktree link, name your and the email address and everything. I'll take you. Just look for the Linktree. Click it here, and it's literally, you know, it will take the only links you'll ever need. You need only one link, and then you are good to go. So this will be the Linktree. And you can see that it's like incredible, and literally you can use the free. Okay, so let me sign in. Why is saying sign out but admin? So let me click it here. Here you go. So it's simple process. When you signed in, it will ask your name and an email ID, and then you'll be here in your page. Okay, so you can literally see that this is my page and I made it myself. It's so easy. One of my friends, he asked me how to do that. That's why I'm making this one. So links is links. I will come to you here. Let me show you the appearance. You can literally change your this all those things, all the appearance. So pick an image. I don't want to pick an image. You can pick your image here. So let me show you. You can put anything, from the Google Drive, Instagram, or anything. So you can drag and drop, also copy and paste file, but I don't want to change. My picture is good here. Okay, all right. So here is the bio. You can I was working in the restaurant business. I was the restaurant manager. So ex-restaurant manager to affiliate marketer. So I was the ex-restaurant manager. I used to work in the restaurant. So that's what I'm here to tell you guys. So here you go, and then after that bio, and you can choose the themes. Look at this. If you want to choose this one, look at this. It will change here. There you go. Do you see that? It's changed. All right. So see, I know there's a lot of people they know about this one. One of my friends, he asked me, so I said, why not I make one videos and share with you all the people, those they are literally new or they don't know anything about that. That's why I'm making this videos. All right. I hope it's helpful. If you guys like my video, just smash the like button and subscribe my channel, because I'm going to make a lot of videos about the how to make money online with affiliate marketing. All right, so guys, just be with me. I'll go to the link one. So this one is like a free. If you go to the pro versions, you will have a lot of options. It's $6 a month. I will show you guys in a minute. But why you have to spend money? Just go through. But you can spend it. You'll see that how many people they are clicking wherever you post it. So that will be advantage for you. I will, if you want to spend, but it's not that. This is all for the pro account. You can stripe, wave, zigzag. You can do that a lot of things here. Buttons, and there's a lot of things you can change. Literally everything, fonts, and hide the Linktree logo. You can hide it literally the pro account. So this is the free account is looks like that. You can literally the blue one, you can change blue like that. It is so simple. And then you can see that create your own, you have to spend money for that. So you can literally see that, you can see that, guys. So Yeah. All right. All right. So what? Let's go to the settings. Settings. What they gonna show us? Let me show you. So in the settings, you can see the support banners. Like if you want to turn on here, you can literally turn on, and it will see here. You can see here literally. Okay, support anti-racism. If you want to do that, I don't know about the um, another country. I don't know, but I'm here in United States. That's why it's showing here. Maybe in your country it will be something different. So yeah. All right, so mailing list integration. There's a lot of things when you pay for that, so you can SMS, email sign-ups, and then there are a lot of things you can do that here for the commerce and integrations. So I don't need that. And once you go to the pro, then you will see that there's a lot of options. It's really good. I mean, it's really good. $6 a month, and you'll get the like a look at this. This is like a same thing. You're gonna get like a video links, QR code, unlimited links. You'll get it same like a link, thumbnails, and everything. But after that, look at this. Lip links. I don't know. I never use that. You can literally read about that here. Set a time and link that bypasses your link tree. So literally you can do that. Link scheduling. I mean, you just schedule link to go live and turn off at a specific time. So that's a good thing about that. And the priority is links also. So use link styling to draw attention one link. So guys, I'm making these videos, this link tree, they are not paying for me. I'm not affiliate with that or anything. Okay, this is not a paid program or anything. One of my friend, she asked me how to do that. That's when I'm making videos. All right, I hope this makes sense, guys. So literally you can see that everything, and the social icons and everything. I mean, just we need like I'm just using the free one, so I will. It's all depend upon you guys. What you guys need. So you just scroll it down and make it look and feel great. Whatever you guys like it. So just go for that and look for that. What is included, what is not. Like a Amazon influencer program. If you have something, get more traffic to your Amazon storefront. A lot of the affiliate there. I already made the videos about that. How to drive traffic from Amazon to sorry, TikTok to Amazon. So that's how you're gonna get make money with that. I already make video about that, but you can just literally look for that. So yeah, if you guys need any help, just call to the help and they will literally help you about that. Okay. All right, so this is what about the pro account, and $6 a month. This is what about that. All right, so let me go to the link one. Literally the link, the free version, how you can edit the link and drive the traffic in a one link and the people. So this is the most important one. I love it. So let me show you guys the link one. I'm sorry. So if you guys like my videos, please smash the like button and subscribe my channel, because a lot of video is coming soon, guys, for you. All right. So yeah, lot of value, and you can see that views 5.11k people. The clicks is like a 3.4k. It's insane. I love it. All right, so here what you have to do, my account is already set up, but I will click it here, just add new. Right, it's so simple to do that, but still, a lot of peoples, they are not tech savvy. They are not good with technology, but literally they started doing this one. So this way you can just add the link. Okay, the title, whatever you guys want to put it there. Like suppose that I'm doing the 15 days online business builder challenge, right? So what I will say, 15 days online All right, good to go. I mean, 15 days online business challenge. You can do that. All right. Here you have to put your URL is your link here. So what I have to do, I will go to the legendary marketer, okay, because right now this is what I'm promoting, but you can put any links there, anything there. I hope it makes sense, guys. All right, but if you guys have any question, comment down below, okay. i will I will try to answer you as soon as possible, guys. Okay, so suppose that I just go through the affiliate, I will get my link from here and I will show you guys how to put it there. Okay, so just be with me, and I will go to here funnels, and I will take this one, the business black challenge, and affiliate links. I'll take it affiliate links from here, okay, in a minute. And then here you go. So whatever the capture page, or mostly I just grab this copy from here and go to Linktree, and here what I will do, I will just paste it. This is ready to go. Just put it one, off, and on, and you can see that literally is here. Your page is ready to go. That's it. Just pay it. Once you click it here, just check it before, double check, guys. Don't think everything is fine, just check it before doing that. So you can see that it's taking you that same enrollment space. So it seems like, okay, it's working. All right, so I don't know, my internet is a little bit slow, I'm sorry about that, but you can see that it's literally working. Okay, so that's a good thing about that. So I don't need that, I'm good with that. And this one is like, I don't need that, so I have already channel, so I will delete it. Okay, I will delete it. So same thing you can do that, guys. I mean, sometimes this chat with me, chat with me, you can see that chat with me. So this is like a Facebook group, like a messenger. If somebody want to talk with you, so just keep them option, because most of the time on the TikTok you'll get a lot of like a lot of comments, and then the people, they will text you, but you are not able to answer everyone. You literally can't send the voice message or the pictures or anything. You don't have the call. So that's why chat with me, it will take you on the messenger. So you can literally talk with the people, like what they need, and send them voice message or something. And you want to talk one-on-one call, literally you can do that here in the messenger, right? So that's, it makes sense. You are connected with the people and you can talk with them and close your sales here. So that's so it's take the messenger here, right? And you can I mean, let me show you guys till the time is opening. See, most of the people, they ask me also how to put their link. Directly if you'll put the Facebook link, here, it's not going to work. So what you have to do, go to the Facebook, literally just go to the Facebook, and so you can see that it's my this one is open like a messenger, right? So just go to the Facebook. What you have to do, take it your link, whatever Facebook link is there, just take it your literally link, and you can put it here. But just think about that, this one, m.me, m.me is important, right? m.me is important here, m.me backslash and your Facebook ID. Okay, and that's how it's gonna work. So my sorry about that, my internet is a little bit, so if you guys need more information, just call me or text me. I'll be so happy to all right, so this is like a Facebook, and if you want to put your Facebook group, if you have it, so you can drive your traffic from, well, I mean, like this link is ready. If you want to drive traffic from TikTok to Facebook group, you can literally put it here, so people once. So and this is your link. My link is Linktree RJ Pandey. what you have to do, just click it here, copy my link URL. You just copy it, and what you have to do, you can post it anywhere, you know, you can post it anywhere. So once you copy this one, copy my link, and wherever, if you want to put in a Facebook, you can put in a Facebook, Instagram, Linktree, sorry, YouTube, or anywhere. So let me check it out how it's look like that. Okay, so that's when I copied it. I will paste it here and it will open. So you can see that this link is ready to go. This link is ready to go. That link, just copy it from here and post it on the TikTok or Facebook or anywhere. You are good to go. That's it. It's so simple. All right. So this is only, I know most of people, they know that, but I'm just making, for those people, they really don't know about that. The small, sometimes the small things, you really don't know, and you are looking for something to, you know something to do that, but you can't figure out. So that's why I thought, why not make some videos. And so I think, that's it. That's it. If you guys have more question, anything about that, please text me, or message me, or on the messenger, Facebook and TikTok, everywhere, on the YouTube, I'm there. I will try to help you guys. Okay, so again, if you guys like my videos, smash the like button, subscribe my channel, because I am going to give you a lot of value, guys, how to make money online with affiliate marketing. you know Small investment and you'll make money for life, guys, for life. All right, so this is for today. Okay, more videos coming. I hope you're gonna get it, guys. So more videos gonna come, and I hope you guys like it. Okay, all right, bye for now, and see you the next one.